Embrace a greener kitchen, the sustainable art of fermentation with BurpLids. When moving towards more sustainable living, every small step counts, especially in the heart of our homes, the kitchen. Among the myriad ways to reduce our carbon footprint, one ancient practice is making a remarkable comeback: fermentation. This timeless technique not only enriches our diets with probiotics, but also plays a pivotal role in minimizing food waste. Today, we're diving into how embracing homemade fermentation with the innovative use of BurpLids can transform your kitchen practices, making them greener, safer, and more sustainable. The genius of fermentation. Fermentation is more than just a culinary trend. It's a movement towards mindful consumption and waste reduction. By fermenting foods, we are tapping into a natural process that preserves perishables, like vegetables, fruits, and even dairy, extending their shelf life and enhancing their nutritional value. This not only means less food thrown away, but also a reduction in the demand for preservative-laden packaged foods, a win for both our health and the planet. Why sustainability matters in fermentation. Sustainability in fermentation isn't just about the end product, it's also about the process. Traditional fermentation can sometimes be a game of chance, with variables like temperature and pressure affecting the outcome. Enter the revolutionary concept of BurpLids, designed to let gases escape while keeping contaminants out, ensuring your fermentation process is not only successful but also safe. These lids transform ordinary jars into efficient fermentation vessels, eliminating the risk of jar explosions due to built-up pressure, a common concern for fermenting enthusiasts. But the sustainability benefits of BurpLids go beyond safety. Made from durable, non-toxic materials, they're reusable and easy to clean, unlike single-use plastics that contribute to pollution and waste. By incorporating BurpLids into your fermentation practice, you're not only ensuring the safety of your creations, but also endorsing a life cycle of sustainability that resonates with eco-conscious consumers. The environmental impact of home fermentation. By fermenting at home with BurpLids, you're partaking in an eco-friendly culinary practice that has profound environmental implications. First, you are reducing food waste by preserving seasonal produce. Second, you're cutting down on the carbon emissions associated with transporting and packaging commercial fermented products. Third, by choosing reusable fermentation tools, you're decreasing your reliance on single-use plastics and disposables that litter our planet. A call to action for sustainable kitchen practices. Now that you're aware of the sustainable superpowers of fermentation, it's time to take action. Start small, perhaps with a batch of homemade sauerkraut or kimchi. Invest in quality BurpLids to ensure your fermentation journey is not only successful, but also aligns with your eco-friendly values. Share your fermentation adventures with friends and family to spread awareness about this sustainable practice. Every jar of fermented food is a step towards a healthier planet. Join the fermentation revolution with BurpLids. Ready to transform your kitchen into a hub of sustainability? Embrace the art of fermentation with our top-of-the-line BurpLids. Perfect for beginners and seasoned fermenters alike. Our lids are designed to make the process foolproof, safe, and environmentally friendly. Visit our website today and start your sustainable fermentation journey. Together, let's make a difference, one jar at a time. By choosing to ferment at home with BurpLids, you're not just preserving food, you're nurturing a healthier, more sustainable world. For future generations, it's time to bring the ancient wisdom of fermentation into our modern kitchens and embrace the green revolution. Let's ferment towards a greener tomorrow. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield.